keep your floors spotless with ease using modern cleaning tools designed for convenience. The top 5 best flat mop for home ensures quick drying, streak-free shine, and effortless maneuverability, making it perfect for tackling dust, dirt, and spills every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TopTier Products Flat Mop for Home. The TopTier Products Flat Mop for Home is a thoughtfully redesigned cleaning tool that makes maintaining spotless floors much easier. With its December 2023 update, it now includes an ultra-strong mop handle and head, ensuring durability even with frequent use. What really sets this mop apart is its revolutionary system that separates dirty water from clean water, so you're never stuck reusing contaminated water while mopping. This small detail makes a big difference in achieving a truly hygienic clean. The included reusable microfiber pads are another major advantage, offering superior absorbency and dust-trapping capability without the waste of disposable pads. Since 3 pads are included, you're set up for repeated use right from the start. The mop also features a 360-degree rotating head, which is especially helpful when maneuvering around furniture or reaching tricky corners that are often ignored during cleaning. Its versatility is impressive too, allowing both wet cleaning for deep sanitization and dry cleaning for dusting floors, windows, and ceilings. The convenience doesn't stop there. Sturdy rubber feet reduce movement while in use, making the mop more stable. For households with pets, kids, or just high foot traffic, this mop provides an efficient, eco-friendly, and reliable way to keep the home looking fresh and clean every day. For those who want long-lasting performance with minimal effort, the TopTier X3 Flat Mop is a practical and dependable choice. Number 2. TopTier Products X3 Flat Mop for Home. The TopTier Products X3 Flat Mop for Home builds on the brand's reputation for convenience and efficiency with a design that's both practical and innovative. One of its most notable updates is the 35% larger mop head, which helps cover more surface area in less time, ideal for larger rooms or busy households. This larger size means quicker cleaning, allowing you to enjoy a spotless home without spending hours on upkeep. The mop also integrates a unique water separation system, ensuring that clean and dirty water remain separate. Unlike traditional mops that can end up spreading dirty water around, this one guarantees you're always cleaning with fresh water. Adding to its appeal, the reusable microfiber pads provide superior absorbency and dust-trapping capability, and they can be washed and reused many times. This not only saves money, but also reduces environmental waste compared to disposable alternatives. Pet owners will appreciate the specially designed bucket teeth that effectively remove hair from the mop pad, ensuring that fur doesn't build up during cleaning. The 360-degree rotating head is another valuable feature, making it easier to reach under beds, around chair legs, and into corners. With the option to use it either wet or dry, the mop is versatile enough for floors, ceilings, and even windows. Easy to maneuver, highly efficient, and perfect for pet owners or anyone looking for a reliable cleaning solution, the X3 Flat Mop stands out as a top-tier option for modern households. Number 3. Midyb Flat Mop for Home. The Midyb Flat Mop for Home is an excellent choice for those seeking convenience, innovation, and durability in their cleaning tools. Unlike conventional mops, this one features an automatic dirty water separation system that ensures your mop is always being rinsed with fresh water. Dirty water flows directly into the bottom compartment of the bucket, preventing contamination and guaranteeing a more hygienic cleaning process. The transparent bucket body also makes it easy to monitor water levels, so you'll always know when it's time to refill. This mop is also designed with water conservation in mind. By simply pulling the mop up and down, you activate 24 high-pressure nozzles that spray clean water onto the mop head, ensuring thorough cleaning while using less water overall. The microfiber mop pads, made with newly upgraded high-density fibers, offer outstanding absorbency. They instantly lock in liquids while trapping dust, dirt, and pet hair, making them perfect for busy households. 2 machine-washable pads are included, providing lasting value and convenience. The stainless steel handle is another highlight, as it's both durable and extendable, ranging from 30 to 53 inches. This flexibility allows you to adjust the length to your preference, helping to reduce back strain during long cleaning sessions. The mop head rotates a full 360 degrees, which means it can easily access tight corners, under furniture, and other hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. JOYMOOP Flat Mop for Home. The JOYMOOP flat mop for home combines practicality and convenience, making it a versatile choice for everyday cleaning needs. Its innovative self-cleaning system ensures that dirt and debris are kept separate from the mop water, allowing you to always clean with fresh water. This feature not only improves hygiene, but also makes the mopping process more efficient by preventing the spread of grime from one area to another. Its bucket is cleverly designed with 2 separate compartments for washing and drying, which helps streamline the entire cleaning process. The reusable microfiber pads included with the JOYMOOP mop are highly absorbent, capturing dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. They are machine washable, saving you money and reducing waste compared to disposable options. The mop head also rotates 360 degrees, which is particularly useful when navigating around furniture legs, under sofas, or into narrow corners. Its slim design makes it easy to handle and store, even in smaller homes or apartments. Durability is another key strength of the JOYMOOP flat mop. Built with a sturdy handle, it's capable of withstanding regular use without bending or breaking. It can be used both wet and dry, giving you the flexibility to deep clean floors or simply dust surfaces as needed. With a lightweight frame and easy setup, it's perfect for quick daily cleaning or more intensive weekly sessions. For families, pet owners, or anyone wanting a low-maintenance yet highly efficient mop, JOYMOOP provides an excellent balance of value, functionality, and reliability. It's a smart addition to any household cleaning toolkit. Number 5. TopTier Products X3XL Flat Mop for Home. The TopTier Products X3XL Flat Mop for Home is designed for those who want maximum efficiency and coverage while cleaning. With its 35% larger mop head, this model allows you to cover more floor space in less time, making it an excellent option for larger homes. Its standout feature is the revolutionary water separation system that keeps clean and dirty water completely separate. This ensures that every swipe of the mop uses fresh water, delivering a cleaner and more sanitary result compared to traditional mops. The reusable microfiber pads included are eco-friendly and effective, offering excellent absorbency and the ability to trap dust, debris, and even pet hair. For pet owners, the mop's bucket is specially designed with built-in teeth that automatically remove hair from the mop pad, preventing clogging and buildup. Like other models in the series, the X3XL includes a 360-degree rotating head, which is ideal for reaching under furniture and into tight spaces. It's also suitable for both wet and dry cleaning, giving it versatility for everything from deep cleaning hardwood floors to dusting ceilings or windows. This guarantee ensures that buyers can use the product with confidence, knowing it will be replaced if anything goes wrong. Its combination of large size, innovative water management, and thoughtful pet-friendly design makes it especially appealing for families and larger households. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.